Find or read reviews that people are talking about. OFIRAM 2023 upgraded H1 LED headlight bulb, 1:1 mini size H1 LED fog light bulbs, plug and play, high and low beam headlights. 500% brighter, 16,000 lumens, headlights conversion kit, 6,500K. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose OFIRAM 2023 upgraded H1 LED headlight bulb. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 1:1 halogen light pattern. OFIRAM LED headlights almost 1:1 mini design same as halogen, precisely mimics the position of original halogen filament to ensure a perfect beam pattern. Enhance visibility in front of a vehicle and cut down on glare in very poor visibility. 16 upgraded chips, 500% brighter. OFIRAM H1 headlight bulb feature 16 excellent LED chips with 60 watt, 16,000 lumens per pair. And a cool white color temperature of 6,500 K. These bulbs are about 500% brighter than stock halogen bulbs, providing you with clearer and farther vision on the road. They also improve visibility at night and provide you with a wider driving vision to oncoming traffic. 5 minutes easy installation. Almost 1:1 mini design same as halogen, headlight bulbs perfectly fit into your housing and factory sockets without any modification, no additional adapters, just plug and play. 50,000 hours lifespan built-in super cooling system. Upgraded copper conducting substrate and intelligent temperature control circuit system ensure H1 headlamp bulb can still be used safely and stably for a long time in extreme outdoor environments. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.